In this video, we are going to give you 6 viral faceless channel ideas that you can start today.
Alright, grab a pen and notebook because what you're about to learn could transform your content creation journey. Let's go right in.
Idea number 1, animation and explainer videos. Now, if you're thinking, I can't draw, don't stress. You don't need to be an artist to create cool animations these days. There are plenty of simple tools like Doodly and Powtoon that let you build animations easily, even if you have zero drawing skills. Whether you're breaking down complex topics like how cryptocurrency works or telling fun, lighthearted stories, animation is a super engaging way to explain things.
The great thing about animation is that it brings back that love for cartoons, but it also serves a purpose. It helps explain things in a way that's simple and easy to understand. With platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts pushing short videos, animated explainers fit perfectly.
They're quick, visually interesting, and you don't have to show your face on camera. Plus, these kinds of videos grab attention fast, which is great for platforms that thrive on scrolling content.
Animations work so well because they keep viewers hooked with fun visuals while delivering useful information. Even complicated ideas become easier to follow when you see them step by step in an animation.
And since people love watching quick, eye-catching content on TikTok and YouTube, animated explainers can go viral quickly. But what if you're not into animation? I've got an even simpler option coming right up.
Idea number 2, productivity hacks and tips using stock footage. Let's face it, we all want to be more productive. But here's the beauty of this idea. You don't need to be a productivity guru to cash in on this niche. All you need is a good voiceover, some stock footage, and well-researched tips.
Whether it's 5 hacks to get more done in less time or the perfect morning routine, people love these videos because they're packed with value and easy to consume.
Here's the trick. Websites like Faceless, Unsplash, or Storyblocks give you access to a ton of royalty-free footage.
Combine that with some solid advice, maybe even throw in a little humor, and bam! You've got a viral channel that not only helps people but doesn't need you on camera at all. But hey, not everyone is looking to be more productive, some just want a little inspiration. Idea number 3, motivational quotes with B-roll footage.
If you've ever scrolled through TikTok or YouTube Shorts, you've probably come across those 15-second clips of powerful quotes layered over some dramatic footage, right? People eat this stuff up, and it's not hard to see why.
Motivation is something we all crave, especially when it's wrapped in a visually appealing package. But here's where it gets interesting. You can create these viral clips without ever showing your face, using nothing more than free B-roll footage and text overlays. Platforms like 𝐃𝐸𝐵 or Motion Array provide free B-roll footage, things like sunsets, nature shots, cityscapes that are perfect for layering over your motivational quotes.
All you need is some royalty-free music and boom, you've got content that people will want to share, repost, and come back to when they need a quick dose of inspiration.
Speaking of content, people want to come back to wait till you hear the next idea. It's a huge trend right now.
The 4th idea is satisfying content. This is an idea that's so viral, it's almost hypnotic. And the best part? You don't even need to talk. Satisfying ASMR videos, where creators show everything from soap cutting to slime squishing to kinetic sand sculpting, are blowing up.
These types of videos aren't just viral, they're addictive. People watch them to relax, unwind, and de-stress. And the views on these can go into the millions.
Seriously, you don't even need to be a master at anything. You just need to focus on what looks and sounds satisfying. Got a knife? Try cutting through some fruits.
Have some paint? Try mixing colors on a canvas. You'd be surprised at how mesmerized people can get. It's a sensory experience that taps into human psychology, and it's perfect for the faceless creator.
But maybe this is not your niche. Don't worry. The next idea is all about tech.
The 5th idea is tech reviews and unboxing videos, hands only. People are obsessed with gadgets and tech review channels are huge. But here's the kicker. You don't need to show your face. The focus is on the product, not you.
Think of those slick unboxing videos you've seen where the camera is just zoomed in on someone's hands, opening up the latest iPhone or PlayStation. It's faceless, but incredibly engaging.
This format works especially well for Shorts and TikTok, where you can review a product or show off a cool gadget in under 60 seconds. People want quick, actionable insights. Is this worth buying or not? And you can give that to them without ever showing your face.
Plus, with tech companies constantly releasing new gadgets, there's no shortage of content. But what if tech tech isn't your thing, well, the final idea is going to get your brain buzzing.
Here's a great idea for viral content: trivia, fun facts, and short educational videos. People love learning quick, interesting facts that make them think, wow, I didn't know that. Whether it's trivia like, did you know octopuses have 3 hearts? Or random facts about history, science, or pop culture, this type of content is fun, fast, and really shareable.
These quick trivia or fact videos grab attention in seconds and are perfect for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. People love to comment and share when the content surprises them or teaches them something new. Plus, they can use these fun facts to impress their friends later.
The best part? Making these videos is super easy. You don't need any special skills, just find some cool facts online, add a voiceover or text on the screen, and you're done. You can use simple visuals or images, and it takes very little time to create a video that people will want to share.
And here's the trick. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts love promoting educational content, so if you make videos with trivia or facts, you're more likely to go viral. Both platforms push short, interesting videos to a big audience, especially if they're easy to watch and learn from.
Wrapping it all together, these 6 viral Faceless channel ideas are perfect for YouTube Shorts and the TikTok Creativity Program. Whether you're into animation, ASMR, tech reviews, or trivia, there's a Faceless niche out there with your name on it.
These ideas are proven to work, and the best part? You never need to worry about being camera ready again.
Now we've got a question for you. Which idea are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. Your journey to Faceless fame starts right here, right now.
Your channel, your rules. Start creating today.